Greetings, Vibrant Crafters. I'm Mandy Wildman. Welcome to the Vibrant Crafter channel.
Show me colors, ooh, ooh, ooh. Show me colors, ooh, ooh.
If you want to learn how to make clothing without using a pattern that looks amazing on you, if you want to know how to make weird and wacky dolls using just t-shirts and a little bit of paint, are you interested in knowing what to do with all those scraps? If you'd like to know how to create a wonderful, eco-friendly business doing what you love, 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 stick around. You're in the right place. Please hit the subscribe button and also that little bell thingy so that you can be notified anytime I make a new video. Again, I'm Mandy Wildman, and thanks for watching the Greifen Rafterprafangadu.
Show me colors, ooh, ooh.